So here we have the Kool Kombi from Hot Wheels Premium under the Hot Wheels pop culture, and this celebrates the 80th anniversary of Mattel. You can look at this. So it is metal on metal with real riders, and look at the back. You have all this mumbo jumbo here. MRP is $549, and this one is the back of this card. It is the G.I. Joe Combat Jet Sky Striker Grumman F-14 Tomcat. This is amazing. This is pure nostalgia because I used to collect G.I. Joe figures that used to come free with the Pepsodent toothpaste. So it says Hot Wheels Premium right here and Hot Wheels Pop Culture. The card art is brilliant. All the blasts going on, explosions happening right there. It says metal on metal. It doesn't say real riders because it doesn't have wheels. It comes with a small stand. That is good touch metal, nice. And this is the back. I really want to open it up. I might as well open it up. Let me get you closer to these. So the first one is going to be the Kool Kombi. Now I have to be very careful with the blister. So apparently in India the pop culture set is being released. It is being sold as pre-order on some sites, but it contains the Jurassic Park, this one, and the Top Gun Maverick Porsche, if I remember it right. This is out of the box, and look at this. This has such unique paint on this one. The grainy grunge paint. It says 80 metal right here. You have amazing set of rubber wheels. I love this wheel design. Coming to the front, we have gorgeous details. We have painted headlamps. I was expecting plastic inserts, but that's all right. And we have turn indicators and the VW logo, and this looks so cool. It is a very small casting, and look at the top. You have this sunroof kind of thing going on, but it is not glass, it is just black gloss paint. And we have 80 badging on this one. Look at that. It is 80 metal, the same as this one. And this one, same thing is going on at the top. That is nice. Nice. This is absolutely gorgeous. I was hoping that it would be this red, but it is not. It has unique paint on this one. There is a small little Hot Wheels badging right here. Very nice. Superb. Designed by Tony Martino, Kool Kombi portrays a first generation split window Volkswagen Type 2 minibus. Look at this. The Hot Wheels casting shows a customized shorty delivery variant with an open tailgate. So this is the open tailgate, and surfboards striking out. So this is the surfboard that is striking out. So this one is the huge stinger pipe, and two small stabilizer wheelie bars. So these are the two wheelie bars to stabilize this whole minivan. They are highly recommended for a shorty bus for a side and rear stabilization in the event of tipping or flipping. This casting was originally released as Volkswagen Kool Kombi. This name was only used for the first 5 mainline releases before the Volkswagen portion was dropped for all subsequent releases. This is my first Kool Kombi, and I absolutely adore this one. This is absolutely stunning. To the next casting, and also this rolls super smooth with a lot of wobble, like tiki 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 tiki. Coming to the next casting, here is the G.I. Joe Combat Jet Sky Striker Grumman F-14 Tomcat. This is amazing. I used to watch this show a lot. I used to love this show, and it is pure nostalgia that is hitting back. Let's open this one up. See, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. It is free for you. And okay, so this is come out very nicely and clean, apart from this one strike here. Wow, wait a second, let me come back to that. But we have a nice stand. So this is the stand. Can you see the Hot Wheels logo, like that fire flame here? This is nice. It says Hot Wheels, and you have all the details under this one. Made in Indonesia, metal. So this is nice. We'll keep this aside. Coming to this Tomcat F-14. This is brilliant. Wow, look at that. Look at that logo. Absolutely stunning. Look at that eagle. Oh, this is my first ever aircraft that I've bought. And look at this G.I. Joe right here, and it says 100 right here. Look at this capsule for pilots. It says G.I. Joe here as well. Oh, this is brilliant. This is magnificent. I'm loving it. And look at that. How cool is that? You have all the markings going on. There's a small jet on the jet. That's crazy. You have brilliant exhaust details. On the base, oh, we have a base that has all this info about the casting. So here is the 2020 metal badging. Here is the Hot Wheels logo, and here it says made in Indonesia. Here is the serial number. Here is the Grumman F-14 Tomcat, and here is the other number for the reference and all. And this is complete craziness. So this is the slot where the stand goes. Let's just lock it in, and boom, just like that. Oh, the boom reference. I will give you the other angle. First, look at this. Superb. This is superb. Swishing in is this. So this is the G.I. Joe Striker, the F-14 Tomcat. This is designed by Manson Cheung. I really hope I have pronounced the name right. The Grumman F-14 Tomcat is an American supersonic twin-engine, twin-seat, twin-tail, variable sweep wing fighter aircraft produced by Grumman Aerospace Corporation, and it is operated by the US Navy and Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force. The Tomcat entered the service with the US Navy on 22nd September 1974. Acting as an air superiority fighter, interceptor, and as a multi-role fighter, and it is named as Combat Jet Striker. Let's do a roll test. Yeah, it doesn't roll that well. Let's take the stand off. Now let's give it a whirl. -2 out of 10. Just kidding, guys. This doesn't roll, this flies. If you want me to do a fly test of that, comment fly. This is all about this Tomcat. This is absolutely stunning, and so is this Kool Kombi. The Kool Kombi somehow looks way bigger than the Tomcat. Alright, so that's it from this video. Hope you like it. Until next time, do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting, stay driven, and I'll see you guys in the next one.